Hey guys, Teresa Barber with Sippie Couture. I'm pretty excited. My first package from Craft Haven. I'm almost ashamed to say I have not used their tumblers before. So I'm pretty excited to be opening this and even more excited for what this cup is in here. Mom. It is, nope, move your fingers.
I was gonna do something.
I saw this tumbler at the extravaganza this past weekend and I had to have it. I absolutely had to have it. All right, let's go ahead and put this right here. Okay, let's see what you think, Jack. Guys, look at this mug. Look at this mug. I'm obsessed with the size.
That is the biggest mug I ever saw in my whole entire life.
It's the biggest mug I've ever seen in my entire life too, Jack. I love this thing, guys. The thing that really has me excited about it is that I have, oh look, I happen to pick one with some goodies inside. How fun! Oh, yay! And some mint. All right, oh, that makes it just that much better. Wow, that was so random. Okay, the thing that I love about this is that there's so many mugs and handle cups that I come across. And for guys, they don't have that man feel to it. You know, it's not, I don't know, it needs some oomph. And this one, I saw these, I fell in love with it. I'm excited. I know exactly what I'm doing to this. So you guys stay tuned. We'll do a tutorial and we're gonna get this done. I am obsessed. Check this out, guys. 40-ounce camper mug from Craft Haven. It is everything. Yes, you can have a mint.
No. Oh, wait.
All right, bye guys.
Oh my God.